Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some more spoilers for the Halloween mystery box of 2020. Now, we have seen the $6 premium box and the $25 mini box, and we are still eagerly awaiting the deluxe box spoilers, but I haven't seen any yet, which I will update once I get them. But I have some new variations to show you for the premium box that I think you guys will be really excited to hear. There's a few repeats, so bear with me, but the palette is different. There's another gloss, and I know you guys are really excited to hear. So thank you so much to Jess. She sent me the photos of her boxes, and I'm also going to insert a box photo here of what she got in her mini, because I did have someone who I guess didn't believe me in my last video, so I'll post the image in this video, even though I posted it in the other video, but I cropped it a little bit, so whatever. Anyway, so I'll have that photo here that she took, which is the exact same as what I did my spoiler video on already, but I'm really excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Anyways, so if you are enjoying this videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, often imitated, never duplicated. And don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Like I've been saying, I'm gonna plug. Got the Hocus Pocus giveaway going on. If you haven't entered, link down below. I know Ulta's not restocking. Some people were saying that ColourPop came out and made a statement saying that they weren't gonna restock, so I don't know anything about that. I haven't seen it. I haven't looked into it because I was just hearing about it, but I hope they restock, because I don't know. I want more people to be able to get this palette, which makes me really sad if you can't get it. But giveaway, 3 chances to win. Link in the description. Okay, so let's get this over with. What is coming in the premium that we already know about? So number one, we already know that Leo is going to be the liquid lipstick coming in the box. I'm going to swatch it again for you guys if you haven't seen the other video that I did, just really quickly. This is the shade Leo. That is so far a variation in all the boxes. I haven't seen any other variation without Leo in it, which is still such a beautiful shade. Perfect for fall. Love it. It's kind of like a nude with like an orange hint to it, which is still very beautiful. And then the other one is the Posh Spice lip liner, which I'm wearing the liquid lipstick on my lips right now, which I don't even know if you can even see it on still. There you go. It's been on like all day, so just know that this is exactly what the lip liner is going to look like, is this color right here. There we go. Okay, so lip gloss is the same, except for there's another variation, which the one that a lot of people have gotten is the shade Shockwave, which is what Jess got. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I didn't get a good swatch last time, but here I'm gonna give you a better swatch. Okay, so here's a better swatch than the last video. I apologize for that. I did a Halloween makeup look and I had like red all on my hand, which you can see last night's swatches are still there. This is a swatch from the mini box. Ooh. Anyways, so the other variation for lip gloss is actually, oh, what was it? Let me see. I forgot. All of a sudden I forgot. Oh no, I can't remember. Hold on, let me find it. Diamond Juice, yes. Diamond Juice is the other variation that has come in the $60 box, which is a gorgeous color. And I looked again through my collection because I know I have this shade. I know I've gotten it. I got it last year, or maybe it was the Valentine's Day box, because I was really excited that I got it. But for the life of me, I cannot find it. But I know I own it. I just don't know where it is. And I haven't gotten rid of it because I love his gloss formula. It's not sticky. It's perfect. You can't feel the glitter. I hate lip glosses where you can feel the glitter, but these you cannot feel the glitter, which I love. Okay, so you guys already know about the beanie. A lot of you guys are upset about the beanie. I happen to like the beanie. It's super cute. It's black. It's going to match everything, okay? As you guys noticed, I was wearing the beanie in my last premium spoiler video. Just saying. And, yeah. Anyways, onto the palette. Don't spoil it for anybody else. Onto the palette. Blue Blood. Now, for some of you guys, you're going to be like, wait a minute. Hold up, we've already gotten Blue Blood in the boxes before, but yes, we've also had Beauty Killer. Or did we ever have Beauty Killer in the boxes? I think that was Androgyny, wasn't it? Maybe we haven't ever seen Beauty Killer in the boxes now that I think about it. Like, that just came to mind. I don't remember us having Beauty Killer in the boxes. It was Androgyny that we had in the boxes. Am I right? I'm pretty sure I'm correct. Let me know down in the comments if you remember if it was Androgyny or Beauty Killer, because I'm starting to think Beauty Killer has never been in the boxes. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, this is Blue Blood, and we got this for the Black Friday Christmas boxes. We got Blue Blood in it. I had already owned Blue Blood because I got it in, no, wait. Yeah, oh, I also got Blue Blood, sorry. I got Blue Blood also in my Beautylish Jeffree Star mystery box, which they do those every year, so remember that if you are into mystery boxes and you want to try a Jeffree Star mystery box that isn't from Jeffree Star Cosmetics exactly, Beautylish every end of the year, I think like at the end of November or maybe early December, you can pre-order a Jeffree Star mystery box because they do sell Jeffree Star Cosmetics over there on that website. You can pre-order a Beautylish Lucky Bag for Jeffree Star over there. I'll have my video linked below so you can see what I got, which I actually got like the entire holiday lip bundle that he released for Black Friday, which was really exciting. But yeah, you can pre-order it and then it doesn't ship until like the middle end of January, but like it's good. Plus they also have the Beautylish like normal size and like the big size, but those are usually like, people don't like those. Those usually have like crap products in them. But I've always really enjoyed like everyone else of what they got for their Jeffree Star Lucky Bag that they got. But anyways, yeah, that's the second time I've gotten Blue Blood from a Jeffree Star mystery box. One from Beautylish and one from Jeffree Star Cosmetics himself. So anyways, I want to plug really quick her photos because they're so cute. And I love this little mushroom that's in the background. That's a cute little mushroom. So yeah, and then here is her other box, her mini, which had the unicorn blood in it, which is this swatch right here. So if you haven't seen the mini unboxing, here we go. We're showing you pretty much right now. And then we have Weirdo, which is a lip liner, which I saw in my other spoiler video that you guys were so excited about getting. And I'm so happy that a lot of you guys are like really into it and not bummed. I haven't seen one person upset that they're getting Weirdo, because if you don't like black lipstick, eyeliner. There you go. Eyeliner. Love that. And the other variation that I got from Heather Long, I did put it in a pinned comment in one of my last videos, but I'll post a picture here, and the lip liner for that variant is Cherry Wet. So that is the only difference between those two boxes there. And then they, the gloss is Crystal Climax for both of those mini variants. So I just wanted to make this like an updated variant post, which of course I will post as many variants as you guys want, as many as they come in. Maybe I'll like eventually, once we start getting boxes, maybe I'll do like a, okay, there's like this many variants, this is what's coming in there, yada yada, so you guys don't have to like watch each individual variant, and I can just, when I have it, compile it into one. But like, I'm just so excited right now. I just want to like talk about them. So let me know what you think down below. Are you excited about Blue Blood? Are you not excited? I know that Jess already has Blue Blood, but she's giving this one to her daughter, and she's very, very happy for that. If you're not into any of these products that you're getting, gift them for Christmas. Be the best friend ever. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah,